guys, in this video I'm going to do a LeetCode problem. I just got this problem and I'm going to read this problem statement. It says the some string is given in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. So the first thing which came to my mind after seeing this problem is, you see, it's like okay, how is it? P-A-Y, yeah, P-A-Y-P-A-L-I. So it's like increasing, like if we have there are 3 rows here, so P is row 0, then row 1, then row 2, and then again going to row 0, sorry, again going to row 1, and then row 0, then row 1, row 2, then again row 1, row 0. So it's increasing and decreasing, and then for each row we are just printing out whatever the element is there, like PAHN, and then second row APLSI, whatever, and it's like this. So the first thing that came to my mind is, so if there are n rows, I will also be having n array list. So I'm assuming I'm using Java here, which I am actually. This is not the project which I want to be. Yeah, so I would like to have a array list, and then for each row I'll just push it to the list, and then I'll just print it. I think this is going to work. So what am I going to name this? Zigzag conversion. They're just asking me for the function, but I'm going to write the main method because otherwise I would not be able to test myself. So I don't need a buffer reader. Public string convert, I need this exact function statement, but I need to put a static here because just for testing purposes. Why is it showing? Because I can to return something. So the time here is return nothing, and then so I need to go through each character. Okay, so num rows, so I need to make a array first. So it's going to be an array of array list. So I forgot how to write. Let me just think. Add new and num rows is how you write a normal array, but I would need this to be array list, and this is going to be of type integer. New array new array list of this. I hope I am right. Like this. I don't know, I'm missing somewhere. Like this, I think. Oh damn. Okay, it stopped complaining like this. Okay, I guess this is the syntax. We are not focusing on the syntax, so it's not a big deal here. Okay, so let's index is 0 at first, and then I'm going to loop through each character of the string. I less than s dot length I plus plus, then yeah, ch equal to s dot character I. So I have the character now. It's not going to be integer, actually it's going to be character. Okay, so my IDX value is 0 at first, it should be 0. So so let's see, so it's going to be 0 1 2, then again 1, then again 0. So 0 1 2, then 1 2, 0 1 2 3 will be 0, 4 is 1. So basically we need to increase and decrease, but I'm thinking of a effective way to increase and decrease as a mathematical formula, but I don't think I'm able to. Let's see, 0 1 2 3, 3 mod 3 will give us 0, 3 4 mod 3 will give us 1. That won't do, but 0 1 2 1. I don't know. Is there any easy way to do the same thing? 0 1 2, then 3 mod 3 will give me 0 again, 4 mod 3 will give me 1. Mod is not going to help me here, but these are 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4, then it's going to be 3 5 mod 4 will give me 1, not going to give me 3. But I don't know, I can't think of a smart way of doing this, so let's do it in a dumb way. So boolean b is equal to true, which let's think this means go increasing. So b is true is going to be outside here. Now AR of idx dot add what? Add the character, and then if boolean is equal to true, then idx, increase the idx, basically idx is equal to idx plus 1. B is equal to the idx is equal to num rows minus 1 just a second. If it is the last row, then I have to go counting downwards. Yeah, if b is true, then plus 1, minus 1, then b is false, as b is true. I do the same thing if b is false now, so idx is equal to idx minus 1, and then b is equal to idx is 0, then b is true, else it is false. This is not going to affect our time complexity, but it's just a bit messy, but that's okay. I less than s dot length I plus plus I. Yeah, I think we are good here. Yeah, so string w is equal to nothing first. Now for I equal to 0, I less than num rows I plus plus. what is plus plus? Now I need to add, so w is equal to like this here now. Okay. For int j is equal to 0, j is less than ai dot size, then j plus plus now w plus equal to ar of I dot get j. That's it. So now return w. This should do actually, but let's test it here directly. There's no syntax error, but I'm not too sure it's going to run or not. Yes, we got some error. I'm going to fix them. So what is the error saying? Null point error, line 9. What is null, man? Oh, I got it. Actually we need to initialize them first actually. For int I is equal to 0, I less than number of rows, I plus plus ar of I is equal to new array list. Let's try this again. Remove the static name, and for next time I will try to code in JavaScript, then probably I can debug it faster, because oh damn, what the array is out of bound ITX. How can be out of bound? Okay, let's execute this and see. AB and 1. Okay, so I got A, B and 1. Let's debug from here. So A, B and 1. Let's see. String AB and 1, then okay, it's starting with 0, b equal to true, I equal to 0 less than length. If b is true, which is true, ITX, ITX plus 1, so it's 0, now it's 1. If b is equal to should be greater than equal to, I missed it, yeah, these should do, but let's just be doubly sure. W, let's see. Out of bound again. Let's do something now. Let's debug this code and see exactly what is going wrong. So debug from here, and I step in, I loop through them, yeah, sorry, one row, boolean is true, ch is a. Okay, right, is idx plus 1. The idx value now is the idx value is 1. B is what? B is false, so it should be. Oh, idx value is already 1. No? Oh. Oh, id's value is 1, so I should. So basically, that's why it's going array index out of bound. So id's value has to be. It should be checked before incrementing. Let's do something here. Stop this, and if B is true, B is false. That's true. Then if B is true, then index is equal to index plus 1. Index is equal to index minus 1, and then do this. This should work. Oh my god, minus 1 again. So can debug. Zero A B is false. Yeah, B is false. So this is a weird situation here now. One is a weird case actually. Everything will work except one. So let's just put a condition and just leave it then. If num rows is not equal to 1, num rows is not equal to 1, and do all this, and let's see. Yeah, so let's see if the judge accepts our solution. Removes the static. Okay, it's success, but it took a hell lot of is faster than 35% of the solutions only, so it's not very fast if you ask me. Let me see, can we reduce the loops or something? This thing can be idx is equal to, if b is equal to true, then this is equal to idx plus 1 x idx minus. This is not going to affect the compiler, but let me see if I can this is just making the code a bit cleaner. You can remove these braces, then making the code look a bit less cleaner. Let me see now, what else can I change here? Array list, a new array list, that's the number of. I don't know actually. Let me check. I try something out. S out air of 0. I don't know. So let's see what is the solutions they are providing. Java numbers equal to 1 written as next rows array list 0 method main number of rows or add string builder. So array list we can use a simple string also actually, or a string builder. That is where they got that frontage. Okay, a string should also do, but a string builder is better, I think. List of string builder, array list of string builder. String builder is a bit faster than string buffer because string builder is not thread safe, but string buffer is. So it's, I think it internally adds synchronization or something. So anyways, I think they just do not append or something. Yeah, they do not append. What's wrong, man? New, it's gonna be new string builder. No. New array list, okay, but how are they doing, man? Let's just test this solution and see how fast it is. But I think it's going to be a bit faster than my solution. It's not 22 millisecond faster. It's not fast actually. So string builder is not as fast. Oh, it is faster. It is runtime is 22 milliseconds, which is faster than 77% of Java. Oh my god, this is indeed faster. Okay, this is actually fast. So string builder was a list. If curl row is equal to 0 or curl row number is 1, going up, not going up. Yeah. So that is using string builder is better than using array list, but the idea is same, so it's all good. Yeah, so that is all for this video. I don't know how much time I took. I think I took 30 minutes to solve this, but see you guys in the next video. Thank you.